to your site tutorial to the Philippine Medical Association's 114th Convention Virtual Platform. We wanted to make sure that the experience will be easy and hassle-free for all our guests. The virtual platform is browser-based, which means there is no need to download any app. And we've ensured that visiting and navigating the site is light on your internet bandwidth. It's also accessible by any device you wish to use. For those who wish to register at the convention site, follow these steps. 1. Go to the site. 2. Go to Not Yet Registered. Click here. 3. Select membership category. 4. Fill out registration details dependent on membership type. You can check PMA website. 5. Upload proof of payment, UCPB or Union Bank, except for waived registration. 6. Click Register. For those who have already registered via the PMA website or through the pre-event at our convention platform, just proceed with the following steps. 1. Go to the site. 2. Click Login button. 3. Enter your unique code and click Login. 4. Click Continue with this device. Once logged in, you will arrive at our virtual lobby where you can browse around the lobby by dragging your mouse or by swiping on your screen on a handheld device like a mobile phone or a tablet. You can click the icons around the lobby, or you can click the activities on the menu, and be sure to check out the following: Plenary, Program, Speakers, Souvenir, Simultaneous Symposia, Industry-Sponsored Symposia, Exhibit Hall, Research Hall, Networking Lounge. Check out our Networking Lounge where you can take photos, check out the mosaic wall, and chat with other doctors, the speakers, and presenters. Photo booth, mosaic wall, art gallery, feedback, get certificate. First thing you need to do is to check out the program schedules and see the list of lectures and speakers available for you. Click each lecture to see the speakers for each session. To organize your schedule, we have provided you with a schedule assistant to help you to plan and keep track of your entire conference schedule. This is your personal calendar for the convention. It allows you to review the lectures per day and select the ones you want to attend based on your preference, choosing from plenary lectures, simultaneous symposia, industry-sponsored symposia. While attending the sessions, you can easily take down notes using the tab on the right. For easier reference, this can also be sent to your email. When exploring the research hall or the exhibit hall, you can simply save the videos and brochures by clicking on the briefcase icon at the upper right. This will be collated in the briefcase at the lobby. Now, you're all set to attend the PMA's first ever 360 Experience virtual convention. See you all there!